हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज पीयूष। इस बार हमने बहुत ही लंबे टाइम बाद ये वीडियो बना रहे हैं ऑन कनाडा पीआर प्रोसेस। बट बिफोर मूविंग ऑन टू दैट, लाइक आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर कि हमारा पीआर ECOPR आ चुका है। बट उस ड्यूरेशन में हमें काफी टाइम वेट करना पड़ा, अराउंड 5 months। सो ड्यूरिंग दैट 5 months एक प्रोसेस होता है दैट वी कॉल इट एज GCMS नोट्स। सो इट्स लाइक एन RTI अपने इंडिया के अंदर राइट टू इंफॉर्मेशन एक्ट होता है। उसी तरह आपकी एप्लीकेशन में अभी क्या स्टेटस चल रहा है, यू विल गेट अ डिटेल्ड स्टेप। एंड बहुत सारे लोगों की ऐसे एडवाइस है कि इफ इन केस आपका पीआर का एप्लीकेशन स्टेटस अपडेट नहीं हो रहा, गो फाइल इन GCMS एप्लीकेशन। सो उससे होता क्या है कि एक ट्रिगर आपकी एप्लीकेशन पे जाता है। सो इफ इन केस इट इज स्टक समवेयर, यू विल गेट टू नो इन द GCMS notes. It is like there is no harm, like $5 की ही फीस है उसकी। So let's go how to do that process. Okay, type GCMS notes Canada in Google. You will get this Canada link. I will give an exact link in the description as well. So when you will click on this, now you have to go in the apply online. Then you have to select the language as English or French, whichever is convenient. Okay, then next, then policy, it's like the basic policy. I've read this, click continue. Now, like for as we are doing it for the PR application, we need to select the department over here as it's Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada. Now after you have selected this, now you have to click on I agree. Coming on to the next step, like if you have applied it for a permanent resident application, so आप यहाँ पे permanent resident of Canada select कर सकते हैं। And now give the basic details like what is your surname. Okay, I'm giving some random values. Okay, date, street name, XYZ street. Name of business organization, it is not applicable in our scenario. Apartment unit and post office number, this is also not required. Like in Saga, आप जिस भी सिटी के अंदर रह रहे हैं, Ontario, Canada. Now in L5B 5D6 something like that. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 5. This is random details. Okay, xyz@gmail.com, xyz@gmail.com. Next question, are you requesting information on your behalf? So in that case, you will select yes. It is like अगर कोई आपको represent कर रहा है, in that case that person would be selecting as no in this field. Select the category that best describes you. So in our scenario, we have to select for member of the public, right? If you would click on this, you would get the description what all this field means, right? So this category captures all other members of public who require information for their own purpose. So we need it for our own purpose. We need to declare as member of public. ये basically right to information act है, जिसके थ्रू आप अपनी application का status जान सकते हो। How would you prefer to receive the requested records? Then you would select email, then click on continue. What information? Privacy. Now there are two, like this information has two categories. One is Privacy Act and Access to Information Act. So for PR status application, we need to select the Access to Information Act. Like all government records which include corporate documents and personal information may be requested under Access to Information Act. Whereas Privacy Act, and there is no, even though there is no fees, but I did it for Access to Information Act, and it says $5, so it should not be an issue. What type of record do you wish to request? In our scenario, like we are looking for a status on PR application, so immigration, citizenship records. Okay, and now comes the detail of the person for whom you are requesting. Okay, so you have to, if you are looking the information for yourself, then you have to give your name. Okay, something like that. Select select some whatever is your date of birth. I'm selecting some random number. Then this is a client ID. So this is basically a UCI number which would be on your application. This is a unique client identifier number. Okay. As of now, we would be giving it some random number, but ये आप अपनी application के अंदर जाके validate कर सकते हैं. What is the UCI number in your case? Okay, alias you can leave it blank. What type of record would you like to request? So in our scenario, like हमारे अगर आपका PR, you have submitted all the documents, you have received AOR, and you are waiting for your PR application, like ECO PR. In that case, you have to select as a permanent residence, but you can do it for other purposes, like permanent resident card का क्या status है, medical का क्या express entry profile का क्या है. So generally permanent residence के लिए ही time लगता है, so select this option. So next question is, which specific information are you looking for? In this case, we have to select status update of file, reasons for refusals, officer electronic notes. So basically, you would be getting one PDF, like 170 pages PDF. उसमें हर point का एक status होता है, right? And though it is a bit lengthy, but if in case अगर उसके अंदर कुछ comments हैं, like officer is having a second thought about any document, you will get to know. In my scenario, my criminality was pending since March. So मैंने जब ये application भरी जून में, so after 30 or 40 days, I got my ECOPR as well. So we can try it. Okay. So next question is, your immigration file number can be found. Like the file number, you have to give the file number. This would be on your application, and you can enter the information, like what information you are looking for, and in our scenario, like information looking for PR application. Okay, you can give whatever the information you want to look for. Click continue. So next one is attached documents. In this scenario, you have to upload a document related to your application proof, like you have submitted the application. In our case, AOR would be sufficient, but as of now I'm uploading some random document over here. So once you upload the AOR over here, then you need to click the continue. Then this is like a review and validate what all information you have entered and submitted. Now click on I'm not a robot. Just click whatever captcha comes in your case. I certify that the information is correct. Click on continue. Then after you click on some continue, you need to pay the $5 amount that you can pay through credit card number. So you need to click on proceed to secure checkout. Then whatever the payment method, in our case I select this. Once you will do this, you will get a transaction number and the details. Keep that for your record purpose, and that's it. Once you will do it, then the next process would be, you would be getting around PDF of 170 pages or more than that in around 30 plus days. But I think so this process helps in triggering your PR application, so it is very beneficial. So the next step is that you would be getting a email from IRCC 80 IP, that is access to information and privacy. So this would be having your file number and all along with a PDF. So once you will view this PDF, it would be having all the information related to your file. Basically, where exactly it is stuck, what's the current status, if there is any comment related to your file, that would be there. So if in case you see that some document is missing in the application, you can upload the document from your side through a web form. So if in case you have any concerns or question, do let us know through the comments. I would be happy to help you. Thank you.